Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing an old favorite, cube steak. So let's get started. For my seasoning, I'm using black pepper, garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and carne sada seasoning. I'm seasoning both sides. I'm going to refrigerate and let it marinate for a while, and I'll be back. To my potatoes, I'm adding garlic powder, parsley flakes, sour cream, whipping cream, black pepper, salt, and butter. For my gravy mix, I'm using half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Oh, and also 2 tablespoons of canola oil. I'm now ready to flour my steak. And I'm using just enough oil to coat the pan. And I threw some garlic in there just because I wanted to. I'm quickly browning each side of the steak, not letting it cook all the way through. Bringing my water to a boil to prepare for my gravy. I'm now adding the steak back to the gravy mix, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. Here I'm preparing my onions and mushrooms for the topping. And here we go, dinner is served. Please leave your comments in the comments section and let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you later, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.